Hey, pretty bird flock. So we're walking home now. We're on the grass. Yay, pretty bird, big bird. Where you going? Coo, coo, coo. Pretty bird. As you guys can see, she feels better. Are you coming or what? Are you coming or what? Where you going? Where you going? You don't want the little girl to leave, huh? Pretty bird met a little girl and she picked a bandana for Pretty bird. Yes, she did. All right, Princess, if you're watching this, thank you so much for picking Pretty bird's bandana. Pretty bird, are you coming? Yeah, I know. Coo, coo, coo. Coo, coo, coo. I know. Are you coming? Come on. She's still watching and looking for the little girl. Pretty bird. Coo, coo, coo. I know. I know. I know. It's okay. You're okay. You're okay. Cuckoo. 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 Come on, you're okay. Come on. Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Cuckoo, cuckoo, cuckoo. Cuckoo, cuckoo, cuckoo. What are you doing? Do you see the butterfly? Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Cuckoo, cuckoo, cuckoo. Uh-uh. Where are you going? Are you coming? Are you coming? Are you coming? What are you doing? Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Are you coming? Now she's getting confused. I think she thinks we're walking together. Pretty bird. Pretty, 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 pretty. What are you doing? You don't know? Okay, am I crazy or did that sound like she just said, I don't know? Coo, coo, coo. Are you coming? Come here. Come on. Come here, babies. Come on. I swear, guys, geese and small children. There's something about small children with Pretty Bird. And apparently with geese in general. They feel curious and protective of them. Some of them just fear them. I don't know. But Pretty Bird is very curious and often gets very protective. Especially if they cry or scream or anything. Come on, Pretty Bird. I know. You're okay. Pretty Bird, you ready to go home? Come on. Where's Daddy? Let's go find Daddy, Pretty Bird. You want to go find Daddy? Yeah? You go find Daddy? Yes, you do. Come on. You're okay. Come on. Let's get in the shade, baby. It's getting hotter now. It's a little after 10 a.m., but it's not getting too hot now. What do you see? Ooh, do you see the birdies? Do you see the birdies? Happy bird. What? You coming? It's okay. Come on. Pretty bird. Are you coming? Coo, 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 coo. Pretty bird, are you coming? Pretty bird. What are you doing? Let's go home. Come on. She's so curious about all the birds. Pretty bird. Cuckoo. Pretty bird. Oh, big bird. So pretty. Are you coming now? Did you decide that you checked out what you wanted to check out? Okay, well that's nice. Come on. Come on, silly goose. Come on. Come on. Pretty, 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 pretty. I know. She's being a silly goose. Are you being a silly goose? Alright, there we go. There we go. Alright, let's take a minute, okay? Alrighty, y'all. We gotta go across that big old street over there. So, we're gonna go ahead and stop the video now. I'm hoping I had enough memory space so we don't lose this video. But if you enjoyed watching Pretty Bird not follow me and do whatever she wants, please leave a like, subscribe to our channel for more content in the future, leave your comments, we love reading and replying to them, and share the video with your friends and family if you think they might, you know, enjoy it, if they might get a smile from it, or a chuckle, or might enjoy the oddness of a pet goose in an average neighborhood. Alrighty, y'all. We love you guys all. Stay safe and healthy. Bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye, everybody.